afternoon, guys. We are on the way to the doctor's because we have our 34-week check. Mama's belly is getting big, and today I have to take all the kids with me because Daddy cannot watch them. So this should be really interesting, but I'm gonna take you guys along with us. We're walking into the doctor's.
And they're gonna put you on Mom's belly.
Yeah. Where are we?
We're at the doctor.
Are you guys gonna be good?
Mommy, when I grow up, can I get a baby in my tummy? Me too. Not this way. Not that one. See? Is the doctor gonna be so angry?
No, why would the doctor be so angry?
It's gonna check what day are you gonna get a shot?
I got a shot last time. I'm not gonna get a shot today.
What is that this for?
That's a light.
What? For
This is a light.
what are these?
Mom puts her foot up like this.
So they can wear your foot? Why do they have these clothes on?
So your feet don't get cold? That's the baby's heartbeat. And then I had to bring the three kids with me when she checked me. She's like, do you want them to stay right there? And I was like, no. So Dr. Blewett's like, hold your mommy's hand, hold your mommy's hand. She said, I'm already 1 centimeter, the baby's head's already down. Because I told her I was having menstrual-like cramps the last 2 days, like I was gonna start my period, and she said that cramping is usually from the baby locking its head into place to like come down.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're probably gonna have a baby sooner than later. The doctor will call me to schedule the ultrasound for my leg. Once they call me, I'm guessing they'll probably want me to have it done soon. Good morning, guys. We have a busy day today, but first, donuts. The kids are going to Daddy's work because I have to get an ultrasound done on my leg. My doctor thinks that I may have a possible blood clot in my leg, so I'm gonna get an ultrasound and they're gonna go to work with Daddy with donuts. Who's excited to go to Daddy's work?
Me.
Your hair's crazy.
Because I combed it last night.
Oh, you combed it last night. Come on, Kim, dance. No?
I don't want to dance.
Where's your daddy? Look, there he is. Here you go. So I had my ultrasound. They did not tell me how it looked or anything like that. It hurt like heck to lay on my back. Anybody that's 8 months pregnant and you tell them to lay on their back for 20 minutes, holy moly guacamole, that hurt. But at least I got it done, and hopefully we have good news. I'm here to pick the kiddos up.
Hey, baby.
Mommy's in the circle.
Oh, you're already here?
Yep, I'm here.
Alrighty, I'll be right down.
Okay, bye. Sorry, I look like a hot mess. I'm gonna take a shower when I get home. But we are gonna go home now, get ready, because we are gonna go to Papa's house. Sorry, I had to, my lips. My whole family's in town from the Anderson side, which makes me super happy. My Papa's here, my uncle, my aunt, my cousins, my second cousin. Hi, babies. I missed you.
Oh, it's so bright.
I'm so bright.
You don't touch any snacks, or you don't only Papa and Mommy and
You can touch snacks. You just can't touch things in Papa's house. Papa has a lot of things that can break.
beautiful wall.
Oh, Papa has so many beautiful rocks. Are you excited? Who are you gonna see?
I'm gonna see Papa and Tina.
Come on, guys. Are you ready? Who are you gonna see?
Papa.
Who are you gonna see, Tay?
Papa and Tina.
Okay. You gotta ring the doorbell. Do you hear that? Look, who is that? You're eating popcorn? Pretend popcorn?
Let me down. Oh my Tina.
Say thumbnail. Be very careful. Don't want Camo to fall back. Okay, look, you gotta put your life jacket on. Yeah.
There you go.
This is Cassidy's first time riding a wave runner. I know, you're gonna go with Papa. Okay.
Got sandals to walk out.
Yeah, we have
It's big.
Is it? Yeah.
Tighten you up. All right, ready? All right.
Oh, say thank you, Uncle Roger. Oh, look it. Bye, sis. Have fun.
That chips. Does this look like it chips?
What is that?
What is
It's a stick. Oh, look at that mud. Hey,
What
you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go. How's it been going?
You're good. Breed said, what's in there?
What's in where?
My belly.
What's
He's
in
like,
your belly?
What's in there? I'm like, I know.
Can I walk on the
Wow, this feels good on my feet. It's like a massage.
We're at the lake, Lake
I don't like
Louisville.
murky water. There's sharks in Lake Louisville.
No, there's not. What do you got?
mud?
Oh, look, you got all the waves.
Like all of them think he was thrown on it. And for each good to see you.
Okay. Are we gonna go with Daddy too? Oh, and with me and you?
Oh, Nicole's driving us?
No, Cassidy is.
Oh, Cassidy.
Oh, wait, don't turn it on, baby girl.
She's turning it
Yeah.
on. First of all, she knows how. Oh, yeah.
Grandpa taught her.
Oh, my.
Oh my God. Okay, just hold on to me, babe. Hold it.
Are you kidding me?
Just go. Oh, look at that. Wow. He loves it, Daddy. Mac Daddy is gonna be badass daddy.
Look at this one.
You guys are so cute.
Oh!